Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 25th of August, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news. In Peru, the renewable energy certificate market is beginning to show signs of activity. This is being driven by mining companies and international corporations that seek to comply with decarbonization plans. However, the lack of specific regulation and a clear price signal make it difficult to consolidate as a strategic tool. There is still no specific regulation for renewable certificates in Peru. There is no legal obligation to require companies to consume renewable energy or certify their emissions from Scope 2. Australia is being urged to go hard on its 2035 emission reduction targets, as the latest data points to a solid reduction in the last year. Australia cut its emissions by 1.4% in the year to March, according to official data released on Monday. The government says the year to June will likely reveal a bigger fall of 2.4% from the previous 12 months. This takes the total fall from Australia's baseline year of 2005 to 29%. As of the end of July, China's cumulative installed power generation capacity reached 3.67 terawatts. That is an increase of 18.2% year-on-year. Among this, the installed capacity of solar power generation was 1.1 terawatts, a year-on-year increase of 50.8%. Wind power installed capacity reached 570 gigawatts, a year-on-year increase of 22.1%. From January to July, the average utilization time of power generation equipment nationwide was 1,806 hours. That is 188 hours less than the same period last year. The Verkhovna Rada of Ukraine has approved in first reading Bill number 13219. The legislation aims to eliminate legal uncertainties and complex procedures that currently hinder investment in the renewable energy sector, Ukraine's parliament said last week. Key provisions include the introduction of a clean premium as a new support model instead of contracts for difference until the 31st of December 2029, as well as extending the auction regime by 5 years. Romania's Ministry of Energy invited investors to come up with more wind farm projects for another auction under the contract for difference scheme. This comes after it approved projects with an installed capacity of only 1.26 gigawatts out of the planned 2 gigawatts in the previous auction. Projects with sufficient maturity but not able to attend the previous auction due to the tight deadline are invited. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.